Welcome back to the Dragon's Den. I am your host, SinDragonLord, and I'm here with MrVladtheMan.
Pain.
And we are doing episode 7 of the HeartGold SoulSilver Randomizer Soul Lock. Last episode was a bad time. We lost 2 members. One because of unfortunate RNG. The other because I more or less forgot about a key thing in the rival fight, and it cost us B-drills. So, yeah, unfortunate.
Rest in pickles, B-drill. Rest in pickles. Son of a bitch.
Alright, let's hope that we get a reroll here, because
Please be a
I'm not
normal
interested in
type.
another fucking normal type.
Please be a normal type. Please be a normal type. I can only pray that it's a normal type.
Takes one to know one, doesn't it, Rekindle? Am I really not going to run anything before I finish this Farfetchd challenge right now?
Okay, now step on the branches and the... Okay, never mind. Please be a normal type. Please be a normal type. Please be a normal type. Damn it!
I mean, it's a dragon later on, I guess, but it's not a usable... So upsetting. I am super upset.
Say have a great stream, have a great recording, and everyone that's tuning in, remember to hit the links down below, subscribe to the YouTube, and follow SinDragonLord and MrVladtheMan.
Thank you. Okay. Alright, that's fine. It's 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 not.
Alright, I have a nickname in mind for the trap pinch, but as usual, I will give chat first option. I will give y'all 30 seconds to think of a name for this Flygon.
Chomps.
Are you fucking shitting me?
If I can catch this, you can name it Chomps.
Fuck me sideways. Well, Flygon King, you will not be joining us this particular stream, or this particular run.
Hates.
Running AIDS awareness up in here.
No. Go step on the 6 on the bottom first. Go back around. Step on the 6 on the bottom and then walk your way around.
Why do I have to step on the sticks?
So that way it faces those sticks and then you can...
Why? 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 I could have had a fucking Darkrai. Why? I hate this so much. I hate it so much.
I know, you'll be...
I'm so sad. I'm so fucking sad. Okay, what was the point of me stepping on the branches again?
No, step on the branches on the bottom. Now it's facing this way. Now go around the other branches. What part of around the other branches did you not understand?
You what? Shut your whore mouth. Now, am I taking it from the left? Or am I taking it from the right or up?
You're going around now.
Why don't you just show me another legendary I could have had?
Apparently Darkrai is a comedy encounter.
It did show me another legendary I could have had. So...
Darkrai is the comedy encounter.
I am super fucking upset.
How do you think I feel? I'm the normal type trainer now.
MrVlad the Norm?
Mr. Norm the man. Hang on. Do we get a chance to buy repels?
It's giving me the chance to catch this Farfetchd, but I can't because we already caught something, and I already have one. So Duke lost. Oh well.
No, we have to go find the other Farfetchd. There's 2 Farfetchd in this game.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Do we have repels? Oh, thank Christ.
I just want to get my fucking charcoal. Because apparently, Violet's gonna fucking carry for this whole thing.
I know, I'm such a normie. I'm gonna go heal real quick, because I actually didn't heal after my computer crashed. I still don't get that. Windows has blocked Microsoft from using your graphics card that you need. Why? Don't we get
save periodically just in case it happens again?
Yeah, I'm going to. It doesn't happen usually until after the episode's done recording, which is neat.
Oh, there's an item down here.
So it's pretty predictable.
Fucking Heatran. Really? Really?
Man.
Wait, I don't think I could have got the Heatran anyway because of Violet.
Yeah. Unless it's
still.
primary steel, but, you know, it's not.
Revive. Oh, that's money.
Let's see. Apparently Heatran and Darkrai are the common encounters.
So I guess I got lucky with the trap pinch is what you're saying?
So lucky.
So fortunate.
Alrighty, now where is this thing? Okay, it's right there. Alright, so I can't actually sneak up on it from there. Okay. Okay, so I have to go this way. Now it's gonna run down.
Fucking Cyndaquil.
Okay.
Couldn't have caught that either.
I wonder how I can do this. I know how to do this one. Okay. Yeah, I just saw that too.
Yep, got it. Ah, shit. Alright, hold on.
Gotcha. Far and fetched.
Ah, there we go, got it. Got it.
Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and teach Lightning Cut.
I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get the charcoal real quick after I get the HM.
I got to deposit potato too.
Yeah, so I gotta deposit AIDS.
Can I? Potato can learn U-turn. That's cool. I wonder what you picked up. Item. Take. Oh, nice. Thanks for the full heal. Item. Take. Oh, nice. Thanks for the Armberry. Appreciate you.
So you are officially the normal type trainer is what I'm hearing?
Mm-hmm. For trap bench.
Cool. Bag. Charcoal. Give. Violet. Yep. Cool. Then we'll teach.
God.
I guess we'll teach Violet Cut.
Man, if we end up going through this entire game with only 2 Pokemon, I'm gonna be real upset.
I'll be real fucking impressed, actually.
Like, our movesets will be absolute garbage.
Nordic goes, aren't self-destruct and explosion normal type moves?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
That they are. That they are. Beautiful observation there.
Alright, time for some repels.
Alright, gotta, gonna buy some repels myself, and gonna deposit, 8. And we can move on, and hopefully catch something that we can actually fucking use on the next route. Cause that, that'd be sick.
Be nice. I could have headbutted a tree. I could have headbutted a tree.
Could've.
God. That's the guy that teaches headbutt. That's Kimono Girl.
Wait, nope. Not what I wanted. Repel.
Yes.
Use. Okay.
Thanks, Milotech. Appreciate it. And ether. Nope. Cool.
Use another one.
Alright, cool. Made it through. And this is route 34.
You must be imagining. Anyway, show me how to get this forest. Yep, cool.
Good job, Arcanaut. So let's see, I've got the normal type Pokemon from Emerald. This region. I'm just missing Raticate. And what's the normal type Pokemon? Oh, for Diamond and Pearl?
Bidoof.
Bidoof.
God himself.
God himself.
God himself.
I'm missing 2, and one of them is God. Cool.
I have to wait for my repel to wear off. There we go. Are you shitting me? Are you actually fucking shitting me? Are we taking on the 3rd gym with only 2 Pokemon right now? Is that actually what's happening?
Oh, it's an invalid pair. Okay, run! Okay. Chance number 2. Now, this is a Pokemon.
This is also a Pokemon. Wait. It's Zatu. Remember? We were supposed to name the first Zatu encounter, fuck after Chris.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that works.
This
All
works.
Right. Finally a Pokemon. This was so hard.
Stop it.
Okay, I'm going to switch into Boxers. A cut should not kill, right?
No. Rhydon is pretty fucking strong. Sorry, the name's already been picked from a previous stream. It just so happened that we ran into it by chance.
Okay, cool. If I get the chance, I'm teaching Boxers false swipes.
Good plan.
Alright, so I can't hit it again because it dies to crit.
Great ball, go.
Meanwhile, over here, me with just Pokeballs.
Well, I can't damage Zatu, so. I think there's a no pair! Alright, do you want to pause the recording while we level our new encounters up?
We'll do that when we get to the after the recording, or we can just do it during. I don't care. I got it.
Right on.
Right on the right on.
Chris aids. Alright. Well, while you're battling him, I'm gonna level up.
I forgot how weak the traders are on this route. Jesus. Right on, Crusades.
You know what? Yeah, I'll teach it Miracle Eye. That way I don't get fucking walled by dark types. Why not?
Oh, by the way, I already have the naming for your next next Blaze blocking counter or run.
Are you talking about the theme for Radical Red?
Yeah, that.
What is it?
The Sea Grunts.
The Sea Grunts?
Mm-hmm. And then, if you fail that one, I've got the one for the next one as well. It's these nuts.
These nuts?
These nuts, yeah. The letter D and then Z nuts. Yeah.
So it's either gotta be these nuts or some variation that rhymes with these nuts. That's appropriate.
Literally just the letter D.
You were saying about them being weak?
I mean, it's still not level 26.
I mean, no.
Right, we're just gonna go through the letter of the alphabet, and I've got you.
Gotta go through the letter of the alphabet.
Mm-hmm. And then after that, we're gonna start naming them out something else, like AA batteries. Where you name them, 2 A's. Hey, welcome to my hell.
It's a Nummel.
Nubble.
And my only damaging move is Nightshade, so I guess Nightshade.
Wow.
When does Zatu learn, psychic moves?
Politoed has damp, right?
Yes?
No, we're gonna find out soon. Water absorb. You lied to me.
Oh no, it's Poliwrath that has damp, I think. That's an Entei. That is an Entei.
I'm fighting the Weather Wars over here, and you're fighting against legendaries. This is great.
Fighting against legendaries has been the theme of this whole story. Has been the theme of this whole series for me.
Mm-hmm.
And the Arcanine that seems to, take them out. Oh no, it's Polyaids that has the AIDS.
Pretty much.
Okay, so you're just the fire type specialist? You go from Nummel to Entei to Infernape.
Plot twist, his next Pokemon, Heatran.
I would not even be shocked, to be honest with you.
Right, I'm gonna heal up.
And the last one is...
Wormhole. How disappointing.
I know, right? And that's his ace, too.
Oof.
Jeez nuts. Got him.
That'll be the name for when you get to the letter G. G's nuts.
It's actually a J, but yeah.
Yeah, but it sounds like G, so... Alright, let's see what this guy has.
An antidote.
He's sassy, so plus Bedef, minus speed. Ooh, lightning rod, that'll be useful. Okay.
Full heal. That's a badass Wurmple if it's an ace over Entei. I mean, you're not wrong.
So, no, let's go over. Can you?
Alright, well, Nightshade's almost out of power points, so we're gonna swap the leads right now.
By the way, Gym 3 is level 29.
Noted. So we probably don't even have to do anything, because we have several battles between that and then Whitney, so...
Do we?
I just got my Pokemon back from the Daycare. Let's see how much stronger they got. Boy, that is an unfortunate situation.
Pooptar.
Please don't know any rock moves.
I know a rock move.
So Nightshade, and knock this thing out in a couple. 3.
Okay.
Reminds me of that old Pokemon episode in the league where Ash almost got swept by a Bellsprout. Yeah?
Well, that's just because Ash is bad as a trainer.
Uh-oh. Live.
How does
Oh, thank
this
God.
trainer have that kind of range? Holy shit. Hey, buddy. Friend.
I know, I'm switching. Sandstorm isn't doing that much damage.
That. Oh, thank God.
Torterra.
I really hope you're switching.
Of course I am. Unfortunately, though, I don't think Torterra learns any ground-type moves, so I think we're okay.
The earthquake.
Like, Jesus.
No, it doesn't learn anything ground type this early, I don't think.
Thank God. Wouldn't that just be some shit, right? Alright, time for a charcoal boosted Fire Fang. Let's go. If you could fucking hit.
That looks like it didn't
Yeah,
go quite
Violet, you want to put some glasses on and maybe hit this thing? That'd be cool. JK. JK. Chris wants to learn Tailwind. Okay, that's cool and all, but I really prefer some Psychic Stab.
Yeah, you can give me items. Oh, hey, Mom. What's up?
Probably telling us that she spent our money again.
Yeah, I'll go pick it up. Thanks, Mom. I appreciate it. Okay. Oh, that's right. In this game, the daycare center is your rival's grandparents.
Yeah, interesting. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and battle that last two. That way I can get some items as well. Kyokun. I'm so glad that wasn't the encounter. I'm so fucking glad.
I am too.
Okay, something that Raikou can hit, please. Something that Raikou can hit.
Thanks, Lyra.
I mean, Hell of a flinch. Vlad, while looking for the spot for Drowned, which took me 3 hours, by the way, I found 4 buried treasure maps.
Jesus, Violet. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna put a Pokemon in Daycare. Actually, a couple.
That's a swell idea.
Definitely Gardevoir. And so you'll want to put in Baniri.
Jesus nuts. Why are we bringing up our, why are we bringing up his nuts?
Because they be holy.
Because they be holy.
And I guess Furret. Oh no, I have Rattata, so yeah, all I need is God.
All you need is God. Electabuzz.
Yes, lady. You're gonna take care of Bobby?
You better get some money before you come back for him, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, they'll be in there for a while.
Unless, you know, something dies this episode.
Daycare. And...
Furry nuts. Are you trying to tell us something, Violet? No, I'm giving you names.
Cool.
For your
I
nut
got the
gang.
Daycare couple.
Well, I'm so glad that you are so considerate of our nut gang.
And I'm officially in Goldenrod City.
Hey, I'm almost there too. But I'm also going to be putting some mons in the Daycare.
Well, the ones that I have, I would. Oh god. You can either put, I mean, you have Banir or Trampage if you want to.
I mean, that's basically what I can put in there.
Yeah. Alrighty, so let's get out of there. Let's go get my bicycle next episode.
Okay.
Just waiting for you now.
Okay.
Ooh, Game Corner 2. Oh man, this is a great place to be.
This is your girlfriend, I see. Jesus. I did not approve to date you, by the way.
There we go. Might as well save while I'm here, just in case.
Good idea, sir. Come on. Damn it.
Why'd you do that? Why did you suddenly veer off to the right?
Because my finger slipped.
Damn it. Well, I'm gonna go get my bike. Screw you.
Okay, like, screw you.
God, extending this episode 3 minutes longer than I needed to.
Hey man, you're not the one that has to edit it, okay? So quit your bitching.
You old man, give me my bike.
Okay, I'll get my fucking bike too.
You'll get yours next episode. Alright, everyone. Well, everyone have a wonderful rest of your night. He just took the wrong turn, so I'm in the safe.
Son of a
I'll see you
bitch.
guys next episode. Bye now.
Fuck you.